Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to switch from an Android to iPhone. Before starting, make sure both phones have enough battery or are plugged into a power source. Now, turn on your new iPhone and wait for some moments. Then, select the language. After that, drag the slider to choose the text size and icons on the iPhone under Appearance. Keep it default and tap the Continue button. Now, tap on Setup without another device, and then tap the Continue button. Connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password, and tap the OK button. Follow the setup steps until you create an iPhone passcode to unlock your iPhone. After that, wait for some moments to activate your iPhone. You will be redirected to the Transfer Your Apps and Data. Now, launch the Play Store on your Android phone. Then, type Move to iOS in the search bar and tap the Install button. On the other side, launch the Move to the iOS app on your Android phone. Then, tap on the Continue button and agree to the terms. Now, Move to iOS will ask you to allow access to the device's location by tapping the Settings button. Then, tap on Continue to find your code. Now, on your iPhone, tap the Select from Android button and then tap the Continue button. You will see a one-time code on your iPhone. Please enter it on your Android phone carefully. You will see a pop-up on your Android device. Tap on the Connect option. Enable the transfer data permissions and then tap on the Continue button. Now, your data is starting to transfer from Android to iPhone. Don't worry if your iPhone screen sleeps. The data is still being transferred. Then, wait for the transfer to finish. If you store your data in Google Photos or Google Drive, you can't directly transfer it. You must sign into and use your Google account. Once the transfer process is completed, tap the Done button on your Android phone. On the other hand, tap on the Continue button on your iPhone. And if it's your first iPhone, create and set up an Apple ID. Otherwise, it will show a sign-in page. If you already have an Apple ID, enter the login details and enter the verification code to verify. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process until you see the iPhone homepage. Now, your iPhone will show a pop-up to add your Android device's apps from the App Store. Select the option. You can check whether the data are transferred from your Android device. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks videos.